episode 1 of What the Hell is My Wife Making? Welcome back, friends and fellow meat enthusiasts. I'm not sure what she's up to, but she's got a boneless pork loin here. That's what we're starting with. Seems she's cutting a pocket. She's got it flattened out. Up to the mallet. I'm being hit by pork shrapnel right now. Mojo citrus rub. Sounds good. Sounds like a go good on pork. Mojo marinade as well, poured into yellow mustard. What do we got? Is that Swiss? Swiss. Okay, I'm starting to see a theme. I'm definitely seeing a theme with those sliced pickles. Creative angle taken here. Then comes the Black Forest ham. I mean, I know this is, a Cuban sandwich theme, but I'm very curious. What's the end game here? Why do it like this? Some skewer to hold it together. Oh, and some skewers to close the ends, I guess. Oh, using up the rest of that mojo mustard. Into the smoker. Smell applewood. Looks like it's preheated to 230. Onto the grill after it's been smoked to 160. Getting the sear on the outside, I suppose. The coloration on that is pretty beautiful. It smells great. So, got some mayonnaise and some mustard and pickle juice, huh? Looks like two different types of bread. Looks like a normal hamburger bun and then some Cuban bread. Appropriate. Sandwich makings. She got the panini press out. Here is our smoked and then seared on the grill concoction. Here come the skewers. This is elaborate, I'll tell you that. She is making a Cuban pork stegosaurus. We're gonna find out what happens when you smoke a pickle. I mean, it's pretty clear where you're going with this. I love it. All those juices spilling out. It's amazing. How's it coming? All right, this was a nice surprise. I like what you did here. Cuban bread and the burger bun. I get how it fits better in the burger bun, but more traditional with Cuban bread. Even though this is like a smoked pinwheel version, it's pretty cool. I like it. Let's see what they look like. Cuban bread, who doesn't like that? Start with the hamburger bun. You already know it's gonna be good. Just look at it. My gosh. That's awesome. try the other version. I mean, it's not gonna be bad. It's not gonna suck. You marry me? Oh yeah, we already did that. That is good. That is nice. Yeah, I'm a little eager to just eat this, so I'm gonna wrap it up, guys. If you have the time and means, go ahead and try this. This is a pretty cool twist on a Cuban sandwich. Really good, really good. I can't recommend it enough. Give it a shot. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks a lot for watching.